Hello, today in this video I will show you how to set up limited posts per page in WordPress website. First log in your dashboard section or go to dashboard section and settings and reading. Blog page show at most 10 posts. That means 10 posts show per page. Here set up the 5 posts per page and save change. Go to post. We see 10 posts published. That means 5 posts in my first page and second page or 5 page. Or reading 6 and save change and refresh the page. This way you can set up limited posts per page in your WordPress website. Thank you.